Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix freezing and crashing issues on the Mitrade crypto trading app. So let's get started right away. First of all, if you open up the Mitrade crypto trading application and log into your account, you will be taken into the homepage. Now, if you are able to navigate within the app, then go into the hub and then scroll down and tap on settings. From here, you can tap on the clear cache option, which will clear the application cache. After this, just exit the application and make sure that it is closed from your system tray as well. Then reopen the application and see if your issue is fixed. If it still doesn't work, then just locate the Mitrade application and long press on it. Then go into the application info. And now first of all, tap on force stop. After force stopping the application, go into the storage settings. Here you can now tap on the clear cache as well as the clear data option to clear all of the application data. Once this process is done, you will need to log back into your Mitrade application account. But after this, your issue will be fixed. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to fix the crashing and freezing issues on the Mitrade crypto trading app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.